Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're barely scraping by financially right now, you are not alone. And today, I'll give you 7 practical things you can start doing immediately to regain control. Let's jump right in. Track every dollar. It may sound boring, but if money keeps disappearing, tracking it is the fastest way to stop the leak. Use a notebook, your phone, or an app. Doesn't matter. When you see where money goes, you can finally control it. 2. Prioritize essentials only. When money is tight, focus on 3 things first: food, shelter, utilities. Everything else can wait. Think of it as survival mode, temporary but effective. 3. Cut non-essentials aggressively. Streaming services, takeout, subscriptions, impulse buys. Cutting just $2 to $5 things adds up fast. Even small adjustments can free up $50 to $150 a month without feeling extreme. 4. Renegotiate bills. You'd be surprised how many bills can be lowered. Hey, phone plans, internet, insurance, credit card interest. A 10-minute phone call can literally save you money every month. Look for immediate income boosts. You don't need a second job, just quick income boosts. Selling unused items, weekend side gigs, freelance tasks, overtime, if available. Every extra dollar helps build breathing room. Create a mini emergency cushion. Even if it's just $50 to $100, set it aside. A tiny cushion stops you from falling back into debt every time something small goes wrong. Think of it as your buffer against chaos. 7. Plan a long-term fix. Once you're a bit more stable, look at the bigger picture. More skills, better job opportunities, or slow, steady debt reduction. Small improvements over time create major stability later. Remember, scraping by doesn't mean failing. It's just a phase, and with small, consistent changes, you can turn things around. If this helped you, drop a like and subscribe for more practical money tips. See you in the next one.